Number 1. Pyramiden, Svalbard. Although located on Norwegian territory, Pyramiden was a Soviet coal mining town operated by Russia until 1998. The settlement was abandoned overnight, leaving behind schools, a cultural center, and statues of Lenin frozen in time. With its Arctic isolation, decaying buildings, and Soviet-era interiors, it remains one of the most surreal ghost towns connected to Russia. Number 2. Havrinskaya Hospital, Moscow. Construction of Havrinskaya Hospital began in the early 1980s, but was never completed due to legal and structural complications. The massive, brutalist structure quickly became an urban legend hub, known for its labyrinthine corridors and eerie silence. Before its demolition in 2018, it stood as one of Moscow's most infamous abandoned buildings. Number 3. Ivangorod Fortress Barracks. Situated on the border with Estonia, Ivangorod Fortress is partially active as a historic site, but its old Soviet-era military barracks remain abandoned. Moss-covered walls, empty dormitories, and fading murals from the Red Army era now characterize these forgotten sections, offering an eerie look at Russia's military past. Number 4. Kadykhin, Magadan Oblast. Built during World War II for coal miners and prisoners in Russia's Far East, Kadykhin was once home to over 10,000 people. After the collapse of the USSR and a deadly mining accident, the town was abandoned in the late 1990s. Today, entire apartment blocks, schools, and a cultural palace sit frozen in subarctic desolation. Number 5. Nizhny Novgorod Secret Radioactive Testing Facility. This Cold War-era facility near Nizhny Novgorod was used for clandestine radioactive experiments and nuclear safety training. After the fall of the Soviet Union, it was sealed and left to decay, now rusting, with broken instruments and exposed wiring. The site is off-limits but notorious among explorers. Number 6. Mirny Diamond Mine, Yakutia. Once one of the largest man-made holes on Earth, the Mirny Mine in eastern Siberia was abandoned in 2004 due to safety concerns. Though the town of Mirny still exists, the colossal open-pit mine and its surrounding infrastructure, rusted cranes, conveyor belts, and service buildings, have been left eerily untouched. Number 7. Kronstadt Naval Forts, Gulf of Finland. Built in the 18th and 19th centuries to protect St. Petersburg, many of the sea forts around Kronstadt were abandoned during the 20th century. Fort Alexander, in particular, was later used for plague research before being completely deserted. Its hollow halls, overrun with sea spray and birds, now feel like remnants of a sunken empire.